Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another video. Today I watch you some colorful fish and they are looking good activities. I hope you enjoy this video. So let's get started. Wow, they come into camera and say give you hi. Hi everyone, what are you doing? We are playing in the pond. Come inside. Whoa, there one. Looking good, playing well. This is beautiful scenery. This is beautiful scenery. Wow. They're playing well. They're playing well. They play is spontaneously. I want to watch you. I want to watch you. This is looking good. Playing well. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Ooh. They're calm in my hand. This calm in my hand. Himself. Oh yeah, it's another one. This is rahu fish, golden color rahu fish. This is tiger fish. No. 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 Yet. They're playing well. Wow. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Looking good. Beautiful scenery. Oh yes. They're playing well. Looking good. They're playing well. Yes, come on. Come on and show your body. This one also come. Ooh. This one looking good, playing well, mashallah. Ooh. Playing well. This is beautiful scenery. This is beautiful scenery. Oh. Yes. Looking good, playing well, mashallah. This is beautiful scenery. This is beautiful scenery. There go from. Whoa. Oh yes, they're playing well. This beautiful scenery. Looking good. I hope you enjoy this video. See you next video. Allah starter. Bye bye. Take care.